Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you once again another simple floral design. If you're new to my channel, that's basically for this part of my channel what I actually create. Simple designs for anybody to be able to paint, especially encouraging new people. I am going to be using 3 brushes. These two are FolkArt one-stroke brushes, a number 12 and a number 16, and they're flat brushes. And then I'm using a Deerfoot Stippler, which is a small, I think I bought a set of them, and it's small is what I ended up using. And as far as the paint goes, using a mixture of FolkArt multi-surface and FolkArt enamels, using Dove Gray, Daffodil Yellow, Magenta, Real Brown, and Hunter Green, and Bright Green. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by using the back end of one of my brushes, and I'm going to create a circle, or a semblance of a circle, just by dotting paint around it. Then I'm going to go into some magenta, because I actually want to have a combination of the two colors. I tried to do this with just the Dove Gray, and it really did not show up very well. So I thought I'd twist it around and do it with both. Alright, so really kind of more of an oval. It doesn't really matter. It's just dotting around so you leave space for the center, however you want to do it. Using the chisel edge of the brush, I'm going to just start going around and pulling paint from these dots to create the flower petals. And just keep going around, and you can cross some of the petals across from each other, or if you want to keep them straight, that's fine too. If you push down, the more pressure you put, the thicker the petals will be. If you want them thicker, then that's what you need to do. If you want a mixture, then mix it up and have fun. Those are the main things, just have fun. Alright, and I'm just going to do a single flower. So there you have the petals. I'm going to take my Deerfoot Stippler, and I'm going to dip the front end into the yellow, back end, sorry my screen is so full, or so close to the ceramic tile that it's hard to get the brush on here. I just tapped it a little bit to kind of blend it. Then I'm going to come over here and add my center just with light pressure, and yes, you risk pulling up some of the color from the petals, but that's fine. It's all good. All good. And so there I have my center. Just pretty easy, pretty simple. Then I'm going to take the number 12 flat brush, and I'm going to put it into the 2 different greens. And if I want, I can add some yellow. That kind of gives it some interest. And just make some simple, whoops, did that one a little differently. And go back and forth, load your brush up about 3/4 of the way up the bristle. This way is not quite, it's a little bit more on that side. But anyhow, just go ahead and start, and you can just kind of pull out some leaves to come out from your flower. If you just want to do some simple leaves, and then just kind of use the chisel edge to connect them to the flower. And I'm going to come over here and do the same thing, and you can mix it up where this one is lighter on the top. It doesn't matter, it's however you want to do it. Sorry, I keep hitting that. Just mix it up as much as you want. Now I'll come down here and do a little leaf down here. And if you want to do different styles of leaves, you can do that as well, but I'm just going to stick to this kind and leave it be. These are pretty easy to do. Like that. And if you want to make more, obviously, okay, but I'm just showing you how to do one simple flower, and that's all there is to it. Pretty easy, right? I hope you like this quick video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate it. In the background, you'll hear a light sound bath. Just sit back and enjoy. And I hope that you stop by again. Until the next time, you have a good one. Thanks so much.